Hello everyone, my name is Saida Nazneen and I am currently working as a data science intern at Syslan IT Solutions. In this presentation, I will be presenting my machine learning project Train Journey Duration Prediction. In this project, I worked on data preprocessing, exploratory data analysis, feature engineering, regression modeling, model evaluation, and finally a prediction system. The main objective of this project is to predict the total duration of a train journey using road related information. The raw database contains train and station level information. I transform this raw data into train level features that can be used for machine learning. The two main predictive features used in the final model are total distance and number of stations. I compared two regression approaches and the multiple linear regression model achieved an R squared score of 0.9453. I started the project by understanding the structure of the dataset. The dataset contains information such as train number, station name, route number, arrival time, departure time, and distance. Since the original data is station level data, I performed train wise processing to identify the journey start and end points. From this information, I created the final machine learning features total distance, number of stations, and the target variable, journey duration in hours. One important part of this project was calculating the actual journey duration. I used the first departure time and the final arrival time for each train. I also handle journey that cross midnights. In such cases, the arrival time belongs to the next day, so the calculation needs to account for this correctly. Finally, the calculated journey duration was converted into hours and used as the target variable for machine learning. After pre-processing, I performed exploratory data analysis to understand the relationships between the features and journey duration. The correlation between total distance and journey duration is 0.9814, 0.9814, which indicates a very strong positive relationship. The analysis shows that distance, number of station, and journey duration is 0.5440. This analysis shows that distance is the strongest predictor, while the number of station also provides additional useful information. For the machine learning stage, I implemented two regression models. The first model was linear regression using the total distance as the main feature. This model served as my baseline. The second model was multiple linear regression using both total distance and number of stations. I used an 80% training and 20% testing split with a random state of 42 and then compared the performance of both models. Now, let's look at the model evaluation results. The linear regression model achieved of 1.251 hours and RMSE 2.7913 hours and the R squared score of 0.9382. So the multiple linear regression model achieved of 0.988 hours and RMSE of 2.624 hours and the R squared score of 0.9453. Therefore, multiple linear regression performed better because it achieved a higher R squared score and lower MAE and RMSE. So, based on these results, I selected multiple linear regression as the final model. So, this slide shows the analysis of the longest train routes in the dataset. So in train 290, the longest distance is 2694 kilometers. Train number 477, 2616 kilometers. Train 401, 1618 kilometers. So I performed train wise route analysis and identified the top 10 routes based on the total distance. This type of analysis help us understand the distribution of long distance journey in the data sets and provides additional insights before building the prediction model. So I do not need to read every train name on the graph. The purpose is to highlight the route analysis. Okay. I also generate validation to analyze the model's prediction. The actual versus predicted plot help compare model's predicted journey duration with the actual duration. So I also performed residual analysis. Residuals represent the difference between the actual and predicted values. These visualizations help us understand prediction errors and check whether the model is producing reasonable predictions. So now let's look at the project side. I want to show a demo with live. So okay, so look at here. It asks enter total distance kilometer. I simply write here 3000 and the enter number of station is 22 stations. So here the answer is. So the predicted journey duration is 53.49 hours. That means approximately 2 days 5.59 sorry 49 hours. So prediction completed successfully. Okay. Finally, I created a prediction system using the train model. For example, when the user enters a total distance of 2000 kilometers and 30 stations, the model predicts a journey duration of 37.6 hours, nearly 1 day, 13.06 hours. So the prediction scripts allows the train model to be reused for new inputs without retaining the model. To conclude, this project helped me implemented a complete machine learning workflow starting from raw data and ending with a working prediction system. I performed data pre-processing, feature engineering, exploratory data analysis, regression modeling, and model evaluation. After completing the models, multiple linear regression was selected as the final model with an R squared score of 0.9453. The train model was also saved for future predictions, and the complete project has been organized and uploaded to GitHub. This project gave me a valuable practical experience in data science and machine learning. Thank you for watching my presentation.